Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal account step by step. So this will be a very easy task. All you have to do is just like and subscribe so I could post more content like this. So the very first step is to open PayPal. You will be met with this screen. Now, if you already have an account, just click on log in, but if you don't and you want to make an account, tap on sign up. Now it's going to ask for your email. Just simply type that in and then tap on next. And by the way, at the top right corner of the screen, you're going to want to tap your country or region from the list. After you put in your email, you're going to want to add your phone number. It's going to send you a code to your number and you're going to type that code in order to verify yourself. Now, all you have to do is just add your personal details like your name, from your bank account and your bank details. And that's pretty much it. You've successfully created a PayPal account. Now, if you're having any issues, don't forget to comment them down below. But if you're done and if I helped you, please consider liking and subscribing for more great content like this. Thank you and I'll see you in the next one.